Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, this strap, if it doesn't stop going down on me, I'm gonna break it. Okay, we're gonna make this work. So guys, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I love Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I admit I'm a Dollar Tree addict. I love it. I think the thing about Dollar Tree that I love, it's kind of like a treasure hunt where you don't really know what you're gonna find, but it's always exciting to when you do find that gem, that hidden gem where you're like, oh my gosh. So it's kind of like that, and it's kind of like me sharing what I found with my friends, and I consider you guys my friends. So that is why I love to show you guys what I find, because it's kind of like, you know, with girlfriends, like when you buy something, you want to show your girlfriends what you got. Well, I'm showing you guys what I got. They're bringing in more and more fall decor. I really love it. Can't complain. I am waiting for them to bring a lot more. I think it's probably going to take about another few weeks to a month for them to actually fully stock the store with fall decor heaven, but until then I'm gonna keep showing you guys what they have. I love fall. Fall is like one of my favorite times of the year, guys, if you don't know. So when fall is here, my house is gonna be fall everything. Let's get right into it, because like I said, I'm very excited to show you guys what I got. But before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed, if this is your first time watching my video, why not click that subscribe button? It is free. I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? Click that subscribe button, and also click that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. Like I said, I post 5 days a week, guys, so you will be seeing me Monday through Friday. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you the fall decor first, because why not? It is like the first things that are like popping out of this bag, so it's easier for me to get. I found these fall flowers. I absolutely love these. These are sunflowers. They're gorgeous. Now, I got last time the yellow ones, and this time I found the orange ones. I only got two, and I absolutely love them. They give you like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold on, let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 in each of these bunch, and I think that's a great deal. For $1, guys, it is amazing. I really love this. I feel like Dollar Tree has really good quality flowers, and I just love it. And then I got another one of these grape leaves. That's what they call it. And this is going to be for a DIY, so you guys will be seeing that later on. And then, guys, I found this leaf garland. I've only seen one. Now, these they carry like every year. But like I said, I only found one. I'm gonna get more when they have more. I love this. Like, this is perfect around the fireplace. Like, kind of put it in between like your decor. I just love this one. Is 5 feet, so I do think that's a great length. The next one is this one. I have not seen this one before. It's mini pomegranates, guys. I love it. These are just so pretty. It's really unique. I love the fact that now they're bringing pomegranates as a fall decor. I just think that's amazing. I love to eat pomegranates. My daughter and I favorite fruit. One of our favorite fruits is pomegranates, and I don't know why I had to mention that, but I just want to let you guys know you are welcome. And guys, I found more of these picks. I told you guys that I've been wanting to get more of these picks from my other fall haul at the Dollar Tree, and I found them. So I found more of these with the pomegranates. So I got 2 of these. And then I got 2 of these with these sunflowers. These are freaking gorgeous. So if you guys see these, pick them up. You guys know Dollar Tree, whatever you see, pick it up, because the next time, most likely, it won't be there. Guys, I finally found the candle pillars that I've been looking for a while. Now, they're not exactly the ones that I actually wanted, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But I did find 3 of them, guys. So it is these right here. They are so gorgeous. These are sturdy. The quality is amazing. So this, I can't believe, how did they do this? This is Dollar Tree, guys, and they're amazing. They're sturdy, awesome quality. Now, the reason why I said these are not exactly the ones I wanted is because they do have some like this in white, but they're round. So I also got this one in the black, but I wanted one like this in the white. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna just paint it white, because I don't like it black. Like, I'm not into black decor. So like I said, I'm gonna paint this white, and if I do later on find white ones like this that are round, I am gonna get them, but this is the only one I found in the black. And like I said, I'm gonna paint it white because I love white. But guys, this is amazing. And you know, you can actually stack it like this, like hot glue it, and you can have like this multi-dimensional look to it. I just think that's amazing. I am thinking of doing it like that for a DIY. We will see, but I'm so excited I found them. I cannot believe I found them. I have one more fall decor. Yeah, one more fall decor. I got this one. Now I did get almost all of them, but I did notice they have this one as well. So yeah, I got this one as well. I think it's just really, really pretty. Had to get it. Okay, another thing too, guys, that they've been having that I just think is amazing is this decor right here. So it's like a round ball, and they do have this in the color black and like a beige color. But I love this one. I'm thinking of having it like this. I don't know, we shall see, but I like the way this looks. Or I am thinking of just putting it right there by itself to see how it looks. But I really love this decor. It's very simple, but I just love it, guys. And you can do so much with it. Like you can DIY it, or you can add to it, or do whatever the heck you want with it. But honestly, I love the simplicity of this, and I just had to pick it up. The next items are these jumbo elastics. They are in an 8-pack, and I got this for my daughter. My daughter has super thick hair. I'm jealous. I just think these are awesome. I think they're really great quality. So they look like this. They're really nice and sturdy. Next thing, I finally found this diamond wrap. This is 6 feet. And if you guys ever see this, I highly advise that you guys pick it up. I love this for DIY. It's just amazing. If you want to bling up anything as your decor, you can just wrap this around and hot glue it. And then I got more of this cotton twine. This one is 420 feet. I think that's amazing. 420 feet, guys. It's $1. And this one was in like the automobile section stuff. The last 2 items I want to show you, this is for a DIY. I got 2 of these, and this is for my daughter's room, for her room decoration. But I got these 2 glass vases. I just think they are gorgeous. They're really pretty. They have one like this, similar like this, but a little bit different. It's a little fatter, and I think a little bit taller too. But yeah, I got these 2, and I'm really excited to do the DIY soon, so you guys stay tuned. That's another reason why you guys should be subscribed to my channel. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are still watching and still have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. It would so make my day, guys. I would love to have you. Do you want to say bye? Look, do you want to say bye? She just woke up from her nap. My older sister my older daughter brought her in. She was taking a nap with her older sister, but she just woke up and she's like all over the place right now. I think she just wants to say hi to you guys. You want to say hi? Look. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Hi. She's actually smiling at her sister, so I tried, guys, but she's all over the place right now. Anyways, until next time, remember, guys, stay blessed. Bye.